Today we're going to talk about 6 tips for beginner affiliate marketers. I'm Amanda Kajek. Welcome to my channel where I like to share information about business building, marketing, and money-making tips that you can use to build your business. Number 1, pick the right products. Make sure that they align with you, and not only that, but that they are needed by people. If they aren't needed, then there's not going to be much money to be made in the online affiliate making world, is there? Number 2 in 6 steps for beginner affiliate marketers is to do live videos. It is very well known nowadays that live videos are where it's at. It's going to get you more views and more exposure. It lets people see your face. It allows you to build that like, know, and trust with your audience. And that is the best way if you're starting out as a beginner to want to get your face out there and get shown to your audience to build that like, know, and trust, which is super, super important. That's why I said it twice. Number 3 is content. You want to have consistent and valuable content that you're putting out on a regular basis so that your audience is automatically learning and seeing from you and following you in. When you're first starting out, you may not have the funds to pay for paid ads. And on many platforms, those ad prices are increasing. So to have that organic audience following you, you're getting much more exposure and at no cost. So make sure to put out that valuable content. Number 4, having multiple products. It's really important to have products that are based in different price ranges, and we call this a value ladder. So if you have multiple products ranging in price from lower to higher, then you have a better chance of reaching more people. And not only that, the people who have already purchased from you may come back and purchase from you again. 5 is spamming. Spamming is yuck. Nobody likes spamming. You see this all the time on places like Facebook or other social media platforms where people are always saying, buy this. This product's going to help you with this. Buy, buy, buy. And that is just, it's like commercials. Nobody wants to see them, right? So spamming is a definite no, and it kills that know, like, and trust that we were just talking about, and that's really hard to gain back. It loses your credibility super fast, so say no to spamming. Before I get to number 6, if you really, really want to make it and be successful at affiliate marketing, then I highly recommend our 15-day training to jumpstart your journey and get you making sales right away. I'll put a link for that in the description below, and you can check it out there. You want to master one strategy. So by that I mean, if you're on Facebook or you're on YouTube or Instagram or Twitter, wherever it may be, you want to master that before you move on to something else. Then what you can do is master that, and you can point those followers to your new area where you are trying to promote and build up your followers there. I think you would definitely enjoy the 15-day training that's available for you in the description below. Once again, I'm Amanda Kajek, and thank you so much for coming onto my channel and being here with me. Make sure if you're new to drop a hello in the comments below so that I can reach out to you and welcome you.